Ndị be anyị kelenu m unu. Daalụnụ nke kunu melụ. Ama m na anyị lahụrụ ọfụma. Bụ unu be anyị ka anyị ji na-ewetara unu ihe anyị na-eme n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taata. Anyị si unu n'ụlọ ya ọ ya dịrị nche niile na mma. Ọ ya dịrị n'Igbo niile na mma. Ana Igbo ya adị. Ise ise ise. Dịka o si wee gbatakwuru, o nwere ihe anyị fụrụ n'iru akwụkwọ anyị si ka anyị tinyere unu n'ụbọchị nke taata ka unu gee ya bụ ife gbasịta maka ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị bụ Eastern Region. Anyị si ka anyị tinyere unu ya bụ ife ka unu gee ya ọfụma ọfụma site na mbido ruo na nkwụsị. Mana ọzọ dị ka ibe ya bụ mfe ige ya bụ ife bụ site na ya bụ Igbo midia ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ozi dị oke mkpa. So bunu unu ga-esikwa na ya bụ ife unu adrọpụrụ anyị kọmentị unu. Achọghị m ka anyị ka mmọnwụ n'elu mmọnwụ. Ọ mere anyị ji wee sị ka unu gee ya bụ ife unu ga-esi ya unu adrọpụ kọmentị ihe unu chere gbasịta maka ya bụ ife. Alright, dịka o si dị, ngwanụ gee na ya bụ ife.
People that own it are still there, but they dare not claim, say they are trying, they are fighting, they are the owners, they are the original owners. But Australia is not their own. United States of America, does it belong to Europeans? Well, are Europeans the owner of North America, Canada, and United States? It's owned by Native Americans, the Inuits of Alaska, the Incas of Peru, the Aztecs, the Cherokee. These are the owners of America. Where are they today in their own land? They are not up to 10% of their own land. Let's go to South America. How many natives are left inside? In fact, in Argentina, the natives in Argentina are less than 1% of the population of Argentina today. I repeat, the natives of Argentina are less than 1% of the population of Argentina today. Because they speak Spanish in Mexico, they'll say Hispanic. Hispanic is not a race, so don't let them lie to you. It just means they came from Spain. They are Europeans that took that place today and they speak Spanish. Hispanic not be race, so they are white people from Europe, from Portugal, from Spain. They have taken all these things from everybody in the world. And they have taken yours too. They have taken everything that belongs to you too. But you are too, your elites, these people you worship, that tell you to forget your problem. For 3.5 years, them and their stooges, their boys, will be playing tangolo for you, distracting you, telling you, hey, you go think of a problem all the time, you go crazy. If you think of your problem, forget your problem. Usually you forget your problem for 3.5 years. 6 months to election, you now want to carry your problem on your head, thinking you can solve anything with 1 year voting of the same people that are just there to continue this. The best person to continue the. How many of them are really telling you what is happening? That they are not in control, that they cannot develop you. People are telling you in this country that they have billions of dollars. You know what billions of dollars is? People don't understand these numbers. I keep telling you, your brain, our brain as human beings, not just your brain, our brain as human beings have not evolved to understand this concept of these big numbers. I'm telling you, because people don't understand when somebody say, I have $1 billion. One, Nikonio, you don't understand what that 1 billion mean. Okay, I always give this example to help people understand. 1 million seconds. 1 million seconds is 11 days. 1 billion seconds is 38.5 years. That is the difference between million and billion. I repeat, 1 million seconds is 11 days. 1 billion seconds is 38.5 years. Somebody that says I have $1 billion can be throwing $1 like this for 38 years non-stop before it will finish. Somebody with $1 billion can be doing $1 like this every second for 38 years before it will finish. Is this car you want to buy? Okay, Rolls Royce. How much is one Rolls Royce? $350,000, $400,000. You buy 100 Rolls Royce. Buy 100. That's $40 million. You still have 960 million. You want house everywhere in the world. $1 million house in all the major cities. So that's 1 million times maybe 200 major cities in the world. $200 million. You still have 760 million. Okay, I want to buy my clothes, man. Clothes, man. The latest every. In fact, Gucci, Louis. So you have spent 100 million. You give Gucci 30. They just keep it in your company. Be sending me the latest. You still have what? $660 million. Okay. So now amongst us, there are people with billions that they have made from us. I repeat, these are not Bill Gates. These are not the Bill Gates. So you can say, okay, without Bill Gates, there's no Microsoft. But I can't tell me that without Dangote, nobody will sell me cement. There must be somebody to sell me cement. Nobody will grow food and spaghetti. No, don't tell me that. This is not a Steve Jobs. That without him, there's no Apple. They sell our oil, they sell the things that belong to us. That if anybody sell them, you will become billionaire. Which of your candidates discuss with you redistribution of wealth? When we say redistribution of wealth, we are not saying we want to seize $10 money or Dangote's money or Ilumelu's money and share it for everybody. No! We mean we are going to use laws, real African laws, to channel their profits towards the building of your schools, the building of your hospitals, the building of your roads, the modernization of your industries and your technologies, to bring you to full competition with the world that is with a world that is competing against you. Do you know that the world is competing against us even if we are not competing against them? But this your elite, they only want to make their children get right to enter that competition. You and your own children, your only right is to help their children to carry the bag while they are going to the competition. Finish. Then when we are telling you that you have a right to also go for that competition because of your own fear of freedom, you go say Seun the smoke IGBO. I'm happy that that's all you can say about me. That's all you can say. Seun the smoke IGBO. Who say who be your dealer today? Wait till he smoke today. We say quit weed though. And you've been saying this for over 15 years. I have not stopped. In fact, today I wear but first weed shirt. Doesn't that tell you you should stop? I will continue to pepper your eye and smoke IGBO. I will continue. I will continue. So yeah, you all have been betrayed by your rulers and your elites. All of them are betrayers. All of them are betrayers. And they look at you like charity case. You are a charity case. You are not part of them. You are charity to them. That's the best they have for you. You know, and all these your celebs and influencers and motivational speakers, they want you to see the charity of these people as some kind of blessing, not insult. My brothers and sisters, their charity is an insult to you, to your children, and to the activities that your ancestors have gone through. For them to take what belongs to all of us after what we have gone through as a people. Look at what we have suffered in our lives as African people. There's some African people now have the opportunity to at least restore some dignity to our lives. Instead of that, they rather drive Rolls Royce and fly in private jets and go and rent yacht of Oyibo man for 3 million euro and say that is success. That is success. They are showing at the age I'm doing 60 birthday, I'm doing which year birthday, my success story. After I've extracted and exploited my people for over 3 decades, is to rent one person's yacht and do birthday party for all of you to see that I'm, hey, look at what I've achieved. You are mugus, and all of you are posting and sharing and praising. I think when they do that thing, they use it to test whether you people are still and every day you people show them that you are. I repeat, they do that thing to test whether that still be mugu, whether that be una be dead, and una they show constantly say una be mugu, una dead, because that party can be held without anybody knowing. That boat can be rented without anybody knowing. They go and do their thing. Those cars can be bought without anybody knowing that it was bought. They will just drive their thing. If you not see them, not see them. Now go post that. But they release it. It is called social engineering. Una be mugu. And they tell you now, social engineering. These people, they employ the same social engineers that engineer the American society, that keep black people suffering in those countries. They employ those same people here. But you don't hear, they don't want to hear that one. As long as they open nightclub for now, and if you use TikTok and Instagram, the same people where they sell on TikTok and Instagram say America now is fighting to close down TikTok because TikTok is Chinese, is influencing their country. If Instagram now is all over Nigeria, are we complaining that it's influencing our children? Are we complaining about TikTok? If we complain that one now, they'll say, oh, you don't want African people to enjoy life. We are not on the same page as the rest of the world because our rulers and their elitist cousins and friends, because you don't understand, everybody in government, it is their friends and family that are in the private sector. The Nigerian private sector and public sector are one. There's no difference. Before election, all the bankers, they go take picture with Peter Obi. Olumelu said they there. Peter Obi, a fellow banker. Hey, we are supporting. He don't lose now. Oh, Olumelu in visitor yesterday. Bola Tinubu the winner. You think they're discussing something different? These people are one. They are one. There's no division among them. It just be like friends. We go play football match. We'll be friends now. Every Sunday we play match. When we pick ourselves, we go play the match now. You don't want to lose. You want to lose, even though not just Sunday sets. You have to see Nigerian election as Sunday sets. Neighborhood football. Where we play, somebody go win. We go try. You go play your best. You will play your best on the field to win that Sunday set. It not affect the friendship. What will be friends for that place. When we play set finish, we'll go drink. We'll go chop together. Do you understand? We go chop, we go play, we go do everything together. After set, you there now, you will go watch the set now as spectator. Sunday set will not be anything. You begin fight your friend because one team, one win one team. Una begin fight, blow na eye, blow na eye finish. Una see say the people will play match, they drink and eat together. I don't get it. So they are sitting on billions. All these people. From in yourself talking, Obi is a billionaire. You said it yourself. Any billionaire in Nigeria can revolutionize any sector in this country for the people of this country without help. Once you have up to billion, you see, if in education you want change for this country, you can change it. You and your friends, you call them, you want to develop our country. This is not for profit. And it's not charity. We will constitute a committee, put a board of people with no education, say develop, we will fund it. Improve, if not healthcare, if not housing, whatever it is, these people have amassed the wealth to develop this country. The wealth that we need to develop Nigeria is in people's hands and bank accounts in Panama and in London and in all the places that they keep idle our money all over the world. Yet people sit down there fighting over crumbs and talking. What's going on? The whole of Africa has been taken. The whole of the world was at one time taken. Go and read the history of the Chinese people. Go and check the history of the Chinese. Look what the Chinese people went through in the hands of the British people, in the hands of the Americans. Because by that time, America was becoming a strong empire. Go and read about the opioid wars, where Europe forced the Chinese people to become heroin addicts. Forced them to become heroin addicts. Our own was alcohol. They forced all our elites in Africa to become alcoholics. Many of the deals that were signed, many of these so-called protectorate, many of the kings signed it, they were drunk of gin and whiskey, where they never taste before. They never see that kind of strong drink. We know they do that kind of emu we get. All this Ogogoro and new tea will begin distill after we discovered Oyibo gin. Africans didn't have strong alcohol like that. Oyibo knock them whiskey, people head blow. They'll come town, get everybody in the town drunk, like friends, give you drink. We don't know say hangover the day.
And by Dalon Linen, Igbo media. I see when I would take on Nupozia do Kemba. The guy say Konunkwa, and the guy say Nabambo, I would ike in a new update. Buye Bastama Kifene Mena and Igbo Bay and the Modo Winkanazo. Or Yabunkwa, I could and I can name is here. I was at the Kibiabo. You watch ya kita in Nina Kobia from Prime Minister. Go again soku, no dinkegi. Nanchukota morgue. Kali will detail in here. Mako Kiagane Sine Messi. What a bear equaten and boyano. What a by Slynol. But a Babylon net president. A Babylon vice president. Nothing. And the new Muyindi na Megasquano, Umuna is so gonna abo famba. Mako Kive, they make it as Adrozi Asimo getting a mezi or the Carlo. Aratos the email. Negodin Kobodo City. Came a de one night walkable mazin and the cannon and boro. Akomakandibo. Can you Joe Miller? Macosna Nibo Gadi, Macosna Gadi. Na ga the kitchen nature da agwagwa. Owori ozo ejiji dia. Joe ga odwa. Gini ka ejiji de mazin na ndeka no. Okoma cross ni Igbo ya ade. Because the give we chitere ife abo Igbo media. Anyị na-asụ n'onu bayi. Ọnụnụ bayi ka anyị na-asụ. So because ọ bụ na ede anụ Igbo, iwe ewe na gị. Ọnụnụ bayi ka anyị ji akọwa ihe na-eme ebe a. Ka ego ọkwa na ya na-ekwu before. Unu ekwe n'iwe. Ka ife onye ndu melu. Ọ sị na ya na-eme mgbomgbe ndị Igbo na-abịa n'alụ ọ na-ewute ya. Simon Ekpapinia aya gbọba ya mgba ka emere obedient movement. Akwụwụrụ okwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru before ejide ya. They will never give you that president, that seat. Akwụdoro na ya na Peter Obi winere mana nyere ya. Gịnị ka asị ya bụ? Mba. Igbo mana na ife. Maka oke esi na-ekwuzi okwu ọka ife ga na-esi na-emezi. Ọ bụ na ịkpọrọ onwe gị meeting. Chukwu onwe gị ọnụ, jụọ onwe gị ajụ a ka ebe ịkwụ n'obodo a bụ Naịjirịa. Ajụ nchọkwa onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị n'elu akwụkwọ a jụọ onwe ya. Na na-ejicha onwe gị ya bụ ife isa ya. Ọ gwụna ka m n'ọnụ. Ihe a bụ Igbo media.